Today's recipe is Christmas cracker candy, or otherwise in our house we call it Christmas crack. Okay, we're going to spray our pan with some cooking spray. I have a parchment paper on top of the pan, but we're still going to add the cooking spray. This makes it much easier to take the crackers out at the end. So now we're going to line up our saltine crackers. Just a single layer on the pan. Now this recipe is one of our favorites during the holidays, but you can enjoy this at any time of the year. Okay, we're going to set this aside, and then we're going to make our toffee. So we'll get a pan, and we're going to, over medium heat, we're going to melt our butter. We'll just keep stirring it so that it doesn't burn. And once it is melted, then we're going to add our brown sugar. And we're going to keep stirring this as well occasionally, because we don't want the butter and the sugar to burn. We want it to become thick and bubbly. So once it gets to that point, we will take it off the heat. It's starting to get thick now. So we'll take it off the heat, and we're going to add our vanilla. Stir that until it's incorporated. And then we're going to assemble our Christmas crackers. So we'll get our pan, and we're going to pour our toffee on top. This keeps well too. Once you break it apart or cut it apart, you can store it in an airtight container or put it in some gift bags. Spread the toffee around on top of our crackers, making sure each cracker gets some toffee. And then we're going to put it in the oven for around 5 minutes. Then we'll take it out, and then we'll add the chocolate on top. So I just use chocolate chips. You can use milk chocolate, you can use semi-sweet if you like. And I just sprinkle the chocolate chips on top. And then we're going to place this in the oven to let the chocolate melt. Now I am adding nuts, but you do not need to add nuts. I'm adding almonds. You could add any kind of nut that you like. So So again, we're going to place this in the oven. Now your oven is off from when you were baking it in the oven. It's hot enough just to melt the chocolate chips. So we'll take it out of the oven. And then we are just going to use our spatula to spread that chocolate around. And once we have done that, this will be placed in the refrigerator for around 2 hours and let it set. There we go. And now it is set. So now we're going to cut it up. And it's okay if it breaks apart. They don't have to be uniform sizes. And you're ready to enjoy. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.